the attic and everything too, and make sure.
Cool.
I didn't see anything on the roof though that made me think the house was moved.
Yeah, well, the thought I have, I think right above this is that bathroom.
Yeah.
And so I didn't know if something.
It looks like they may have maybe redone it because it, the texture looks a little different right here.
Right.
So they may have had a leak.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was saying. It's like, see how it's
Right
plugged a
here.
little tighter? Yeah, great.
So they might have cut it out. 'Cause,
Yeah, there's just one line right there, too.
Mhm.
Kind of a little one.
That looks like it. Yeah, they cut it out. Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
They cut this whole area out. But that straight line, that's from the.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, you can see the texture's just a little different too.
Did you go down here at all?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what do you think?
Demonstrating this fan.
Smells like dog on here, doesn't it?
You can figure out all the switches.